A new anti-president Emerson Mnangagwa slogan, 2027 Hashiki, he will not get 2027, has emerged from sections of the war veterans, retired army generals, and a ZANU-PF faction opposed to President Mnangagwa's controversial 2030 agenda. Saravina Mashkubla Yukapangona Chin's new anti-Mnangagwa slogan gains traction. Subscribe or like it on the bell icon. The slogan says at a time when Mnangagwa is facing mounting resistance from within his own ranks, with signs of a military-backed backlash intensifying a fierce power struggle at the heart of Zimbabwe's ruling elite. The developments are exposing widening fractures within ZANU-PF. The party, through Justice Minister Ziyambi, has already initiated public hearings aimed at building support for extending Mnangagwa's rule. However, these hearings have reportedly been made by violence, with pro-government supporters allegedly targeting citizens opposed to the 2030 agenda. At the center of the turmoil is Vice President Constantine Chiwenga, who is said to have clashed directly with the Mnangagwa loyalists during a tense Politburo meeting. Insiders described the confrontation as a stark reflection of a party now dangerously divided. Sources say Chiwenga openly challenged the push for Constitutional Amendment number 3, warning that extending presidential term limits without a national referendum could trigger a major political crisis. The situation escalated during a heated exchange with the State Secretary Minister Lavo Matuke. Chiwenga reportedly insisted that any attempt to extend presidential term must be subjected to a referendum, placing him at odds with the party preferred strategy. Matuke is said to have pushed back, accusing dissenting voices of undermining the party unity. The confrontation quickly drew in Defense Minister Opamchunguri and ZANU-PF Komisa Machacha, who reportedly sided with Matuke, turning the meeting into a full-scale factional showdown. In a moment described by insiders as both symbolic and chilling, Chiwenga allegedly invoked his Liberation War credentials, reminding colleagues that he fought to liberate the country while others fled, a pointed remark widely interpreted as a swipe at rivals within the party. Beyond the Politburo, dissent is also emerging from Liberation War structures. A faction of the Zimbabwe National Liberation War Veterans Association in Mashonaland West has broken ranks, calling for a national referendum on the proposed constitutional changes. Domamiro zvakaita muri Zimbabwe mubato rezANU-PF aiwapangwa inai kwakuva nekugeda-gena kwemeno nekurwisana. Comment section medu zvakura aimbo tudiva pamusoro pechiriko ichi. Musaona subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.